Hello students, today we solve the following expression. In this expression, first we convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Therefore, 8 minus 8 multiplied by 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 by 5 minus 7 1 7 plus 2 9 9 by 7 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by, now we take a LCM here, 6 minus 1 by 6. So LCM is a 6. Therefore 6 multiplied by 6 36 minus 1 divided by 6 is equal to 8 minus 8 multiply by, here the LCM of 5 and 7 is a 35. Therefore 11 multiply by 7 divided by 5 multiply by 7 minus 9 multiply by 5 divided by 7 multiply by 5 divided by 2 minus 1 by 35 by 6 is equal to 8 minus 8 multiply by 77 divided by 35 minus 45 divided by 35 divided by 2 minus 6 divided by 35 is equal to 8 minus 8 multiply by 77 minus 45 divided by 35 divided by, here we take the LCM, 35 is a LCM, therefore 2 multiply by 35 minus 6 divided by 35 is equal to 8 minus 8 multiply by 32 divided by 35 divided by 70 minus 6 divided by 35 is equal to 8 minus 8 multiply by 32 divided by 35 multiply by 70 minus 6 is a 64 divided by 35 is equal to 8 minus 8 multiply by 32 35 divided by 64. Now as per the Demas rule, we solve the first multiplication. Therefore 8 minus 8, now 32 to the 64 multiply by 1 by 2 is equal to 2 4 the 8. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4, our answer. Thank you children for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.